No one will ever forget you even though you passed.
25 minutes after 12 right here on your best radio station. Actually, we are TV and also radio station. It's EFM TV or EFM radio station. It's where we at on 98.3. Catch us on 107.9 if you're on Gwandengezi, Mhlabelingana, Mtuba, Mantagecom, and also a Harden. Welcome to your beautiful night shift with myself, Tanda Sokela. It's 2020. It's all about good music. On 2020, no stress, no rush. I remember Malum Tira said, no rush. Please, it's 2020. So drop me an email. It's nsokela950@gmail.com and drop me those tracks that you love the most, because here is all about love music with the love session. Myself, Tata Sokela, taking you from now until 12 o'clock. Also on Facebook, I'm there, as well as Twitter. Instagram, you can see my pictures right here in the studio. I'm broadcasting live at the studio today. I'm not outside. So there's something I want to know right now. What are you doing there? Where you at right now? Is it night? Tell me on 0848201177 or drop me an email at nsokela950@gmail.com and also tell me wenzani lapho or kwenzakalani lapho la uhleli khona. No man, I just want to find out something different with abantu benzani ebusuku kangaka uma ke bengekho emakubo abanye babo o besendaweni ehlukahlukene. Tell me, talk to us on 0848201177. Sbahle Kuzwayo, hi DJ my boy, you're rocking me, baby boy. I feel like I'm on air right now. Thank you so much, my king. Have a fantastic night. Amanda Sokulu, my boy, please don't forget to play me my best song, Afro Traction Nginawe Dali. Oh my goodness, I will do such that. I will do it, my girl. Don't worry. Keep yourself on radio. And let me also read this one here. It's from DJ La Soul from one of the South African radio station. It's one of the radio station that we love the most, Gagasi FM. DJ La Soul said, thank you very much, my boy. You're rocking me, boy. And keep yourself doing better every day. Pull up the sock every day. That's what she said. Pull up the sock every day. Thank you, Les Soul. Have a great night. Let me cross now to Sanelisiwe Dlangamanda Kunene. Wow, I love your name. Sanelisiwe Dlangamanda Kunene. Wow, man, I just love your name. Dlangamanda said, my boy, you just remind me my ex-boyfriend who used to play me this kind of music that you used to play on your show, man. I love your show. Whoa, my goodness. Again, musana kusijoyina njengamanje igama lami uNhlanhla ngwaSokela NB Sokela ngihleli nawe nje kusukela ngo9 o'clock until 12 o'clock namhlanje kusihlwa. It's all about great chats, great conversation, a great time spending with you right now njengoba kusebusuku nje kanje. Ngitshela ukuthi wena wenza njani lapho? Where are you ebusuku kangaka? And what are you doing there? Don't forget to drop me an email. It's nsokela950@gmail.com, and also on Twitter, nbsokela, right here on EFM TV radio station. Hello and welcome to your beautiful night. I love you, baby. Mwah.